international. He has a fan following in Germany. So one German artist has been.
Like you, and then maybe the next day they just go.
This is the kind of women's movement as you know very well, I guess. And suddenly this whole series of revenge firecrackers happened. So the crackers are made.
So that
This, sir, you know, Kamal Sarup. You remember Kamal Sarup, who disappeared from sale? So I got hold of him. And this, of course, is on National Group. It's 475, yeah. So it's on that.
that one will do, yes sir.
But you have to use some period image, but make a contemporary work. So contemporarizing the history. This is Nalini Malani, of course. Then he got this found images and created a youth power here 1 year after Maharashtra. This one delicate army appliances. And I thought this thing as you remember very clearly. It's a very very close to your house, pencil ad for the set making. And using Govardhan to say. This is Liberty, sir, you may remember Liberty in Bombay was the first high-end cinema, air-conditioned cinema to show Indian cinema. Otherwise, high-end cinemas were only showing Hollywood. So, this chemical we call chemical mixture, make some idea of makeup pen, do an editing, whatever. So these are the books, the glass books, which are not written, which should have been written. When you were doing our research, it got, and those magazines are the magazines which got extinct. All Film India, Moz Bazaar. Were there in 10. These many were there in 20. And these many were in 30s. It takes time, but you can get used to that how cinemas increases and then it decreases. What is the and where all it comes. So that is how the where. I mean, because they all give addresses. So you can actually see which kind of profession animal suppliers need little space, so they are coming down. They cannot do anything, so they erase the image and then they move it. And what we have is the modern day map of the city and cinema. That is a video that women talk about watching cinema in theatre, which are going away. As you know, these are the equipment which are used that time for the mayhem. So his argument is that when violence became more spectacular than cinema could ever be, futuristic imagination of a museum, where things like Baka Group, they are almost have museumized. This is actually a futuristic museum of cinema. It's a cinema museum after 50 years in India. Yeah. Like this is like the Hindi cinema has so much obsessed with human anatomy. It's also human anatomy. When you come here in English movie, it's a take on the Bollywood dance. That is also a little bit like Bharat. This is with the just all contested dance. And she's this is Dharani Kumar. So she's facing a land mafia. She got into a mystery. So this is a land mafia. And this is Bharat Mata cinema, which is also under dispute. So all disputed land.
Good evening. On behalf of the National Gallery of Modern Art, I welcome our distinguished guests, artists, the art-loving public, and friends from the media to the inauguration of the exhibition Project Cinema City. A warm welcome to Shri M.S. Satyu, Shri Balanambya, Shri Apurva Parekh, Srimati Madhushri Datta, Srimati Archana Hande, and Shri Shiv Prasad Kene. I request the distinguished guests to please come on the dais.
ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆ. ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಆಧುನಿಕ ಕಲಾ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಾಲಯದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಸಿಟಿ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನದ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವ ಗಣ್ಯರನ್ನು, ಕಲಾವಿದರನ್ನು, ಕಲಾಪ್ರೇಮಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವರನ್ನು ಆದರದಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಗಣ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಎಂ.ಎಸ್. ಸತ್ಯು, ಶ್ರೀ ಬಾಲನ್ ನಂಬಿಯಾರ್, ಶ್ರೀ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಪಾರೇಖ್, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಮಧುಶ್ರೀ ದತ್ತಾ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಅರ್ಚನಾ ಹಂದೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಶ್ರೀ ಶಿವಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಕೆನೆ ಅವರು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು ವಿನಂತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
This exhibition, in collaboration with Majlis, a center for interdisciplinary art practices in Mumbai, captures the close relationship which cinema shares with its city. Though the project mainly engages with the city of Mumbai, its concerns extend to the generic configuration of the city and its public culture. The cinema exists in the body and the spirit of the city, in production, in reception, in imagination, and in desire. Project Cinema City ventures beyond the film narratives and excavates the hidden spaces, faces, and processes behind the functioning of the dream factory and the ancillary cultures around it. In the current show, 12 works of art and 10 short films involving more than 60 artists, filmmakers, architects, and students of art and media are exhibited. I request the members on the dais to kindly inaugurate the exhibition by lighting the lamp. I would also like to invite artists Atul Dodia, Pushpamala, Shreyash Karle, and Anand Joshi. Thank you all. I now request Shri Shiv Prasad Kane, Director, National Gallery of Modern Art, Bengaluru, to deliver the welcome address and share his thoughts on the exhibition.
Chief guest of today's function, respected Sri M.S. Satyuji, the guest of honor, Sri Balan Nambiarji, curator of this exhibition, Madhusri Dattaji, co-curator of this exhibition, Archana Handeji, Mr. Apurva Parikh, distinguished artists, friends from the print and electronic media, and art lovers of this city. I would like to welcome each one of you to this inauguration event. It's been a privilege for the National Gallery of Modern Art, Bangalore, to host this exhibition. I think you're already aware that this exhibition was first held in National Gallery of Modern Art in Bombay. Then it went on to Delhi, and this is the third place where this exhibition is being held. We had wonderful response for this exhibition both in Delhi and in Mumbai, and we hope that this will be the same case here in Bangalore as well. At the very outset, on behalf of all of you and on behalf of the National Gallery of Modern Art, it's a privilege and honor for me to welcome the chief guest of today's function, Sri M.S. Satyuji, who has very kindly accepted our invitation to inaugurate this exhibition. May I, on behalf of all of us, request the curator of this exhibition, Madhusri Dattaji, to formally welcome him with a flower bouquet. Mr. Balan Nambiar has very kindly consented to be the guest of honor. He's been the Apex Committee member of this National Gallery of Modern Art here in Bangalore, and he's also the national member of the National Apex Committee member. He, along with others, have been primarily responsible, instrumental in establishing this wonderful institution here in Bangalore. It's an honor for us to have you here, sir. May I, on behalf of all of us, request Archana Handeji to formally welcome him with flower bouquet. We are privileged to have with us the curator of this exhibition, Srimati Madhusri Dattaji. She's been kind enough to grace this function and also to take the VIPs around the gallery. On behalf of all of us, may I request Sri Dhar, our administrative officer, to formally welcome her with a flower bouquet. It's a privilege for me to welcome Sri Apurva Parikji from the KRVIA. May I request our OSD, Rahena ji, to formally welcome me with the flower bouquet. We also have a dynamic co-curator here, sitting here just next to me. For the past 10 or 15 days, she, along with several other artists who are behind the scenes, have worked tirelessly for setting up this exhibition. We also, we are privileged to have eminent artists here with us who have contributed immensely for this exhibition. I think on behalf of all of us, Archana Hande, I'm inviting not only her, but the entire team who has worked behind this, behind the scene. So may I request our exhibition officer and program officer, Sri Shivananda, to welcome her and her entire team with flower bouquet. We also have amidst us a lot of artists, art lovers, advocates of this center. My hearty welcome to each and every one of you. My welcome to print and electronic media. It's only with support from you that the message of art goes out to a large audience. And with this, I hope that this exhibition will get a wide coverage and a lot of people and art lovers will come and enjoy this exhibition. Last but not the least, welcome each and every one of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The exhibition has been insightfully curated by Ms. Madhusri Datta along with Ms. Archana Hande as the co-curator. Madhusri Datta is the executive director of Majlis. She is a non-fiction filmmaker and video artist. Her films have won Filmfare Awards, multiple national awards, as well as many international awards, and are taught at many universities in departments of film studies, women's studies, South Asian studies, and urban studies. She has curated Expression 1990, the first women's art festival in the country. I now request Ms. Madhusri Datta to share her experience while curating the exhibition.